You want me to give you the tour? I'll give you the show.
All right, show off the baskets. And go.
Basket number 1.
Ooh.
This basket you think is just a simple, tall basket. The reality is, it's a Superman basket.
Ooh.
By day, it holds pillows. By night, it holds sheets.
So this is a multi-use basket.
Yes.
Mary Poppins.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
It's like the Barney baggy basket.
Yes, it's like, you think I do this, but I really do that. I love this basket. And this is basket number 2.
Okay.
This basket I got from the African market in Harlem.
All right. What do you use it for?
This is my tote basket. This is the basket actually, because of the leather strap. Like that basket wouldn't work. This one is like when I want to go get water from the gym and I don't like want to get filtered water, or if I have girlfriends over and we're like, you know, partying or going to the roof.
Yeah.
Or,
So this is like your go-to travel basket, like when you need to tote something, like
it's like my transport. Yeah, like my transport basket. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You have to like bebop around. Yeah, like I'm always like, hey! The doorman or like, okay, Faith in her basket. Sometimes if I want to be dramatic, I'll like kind of cup it here. Like when I'm talking to my neighbor. Yeah, I'm like, like this is the basket.
But I see you doing all
of it. Yeah, because then you can kind of just like, that's it. Twirl on them. Okay, next basket. You ready?
Yes.
Ooh. This is my sophisticated basket.
Okay.
You know, this is the basket, like I always say, you have prompts, so everything in your home is like a prompt, right? So this goes by my door. I like that it's see-through because, let me move this basket. Because it lets people know, take off your shoes when you come to my house. Like my shoes are in there.
It's a signal.
Yeah, it's a signal. I like to only have like 4 shoes up front. I don't like to have my whole shoe collection up front because that's not necessary. Keep the 4 that I use like when I'm going out and I just need to go run and do something.
With your other basket.
Yeah. Right, when I need to go grab it.
This is what I wear these with the tote basket.
Yeah. I wear these shoes with a tote basket. And I like that it has handles, so even if I go crazy and I put too many shoes in, I can just like take it and move it around the house.
And then also because you use it for shoes in the front of the house, when you're trying to transition, you can bring those shoes back and carry it back. Yeah. Easy peasy.
Good basket. Okay, next and last basket is this basket.
I love that basket.
I love this basket too.
I was inspired by that basket.
I know. I saw it on our Instagram. We were really, but look, it's like an abracadabra basket.
Yeah. It's 2 baskets in one.
It's a twofer. I use it for my laundry. But did you see someone on Instagram puts a plant in it? So it's like a plant
I have seen that. Yeah.
It's a gorgeous basket
too.
It's a little delicate, but like, you know what I mean? It's not very thick, but it's a great basket. So I use it for like clothes, dirty clothes, and then when I'm going to do my laundry, I can hold it. I like that the handles connect, that there's enough like give and flexibility that it, you know, just like
the bottom bounces out.
We'll pepper my step. Because a lot of baskets, the handles don't connect.
Right.
Like this one. It's not really, like you have to do this. You can't.
It's not an easy hold.
It's not an easy hold.
So you can potentially grab that with one hand and then grab that basket with the other. Around your head.
If I didn't have a bun, I would do that. That's kind of, this is what you can do. Like, yeah, I don't think I can do anymore.